Ever felt that weird jerk when you shift gears, or maybe your car revs like crazy but barely picks up speed? That, my friend, could be a slipping clutch, and trust me, you don't want to ignore it. So, what is a slipping clutch? Basically, the clutch stops fully connecting the engine to the wheels, making your car struggle to accelerate, shift, or even stay in gear. You might hear grinding noises, feel weird vibrations, or smell something burning. Sometimes the clutch pedal gets super soft or sticky too. Driving with a slipping clutch isn't just annoying, it's risky. You lose power. The car might jerk or stall, and you could damage much more than just the clutch. We're talking serious heat buildup that can wreck your gearbox or melt engine parts. And if it fails completely while you're driving, you'll lose the ability to change gears, and the car could just stop moving. Not a situation you want to find yourself in. Why does this happen though? Most of the time, it's just wear and tear. Clutches only last so long, especially if you drive aggressively, ride the clutch, or spend hours in stop-and-go traffic. Sometimes it's low fluid, a worn bearing, or an old clutch cable acting up. Can you keep driving? Technically, yes, but should you? Absolutely not. The longer you wait, the more damage and cost you rack up. The fix? 99 times out of 100, you'll need a full clutch replacement. It's a big job, usually costing anywhere from £600 to £800, and it's best left to a pro. So if your car's showing any of these signs, don't ignore it. Book a mechanic, get it checked, and keep your ride running smoothly. Your wallet and your safety will thank you.